Good morning children. Hope you all are doing good. So this class I am going to continue the lesson number 1 as I grow. Okay. So before that I want to give a small recap of the lesson whatever I have done in the last video. That is the living things it will grow because it is one of the natural process. Okay. Also I have explained how the growth it will be in animals and in plants. Okay. So this I also have given few example growth in animals like the birds how it will grow and the frog and butterflies. Okay. In plants I have explained how the seed it will grow into a big plant. Okay. So this class I am going to explain growth in human being. Okay. So everyone take out page number 126. We all change in shape and appearance with this change in time or as we grow. Okay. So everyone you won't look like the same, right? Even everyone's skin color you can compare. Okay. It won't be same for each and every person. It will get vary. Okay. Even the height, weight and the body personality, everything it will vary from person to person. Everyone they won't be in a same growth. Okay. So based on your age even you can able to see your growth. So here you can able to see from the baby to the development it will become a man, then it will become a old age. So likewise for even the girls also they will become a woman and they will be attaining in a old age. So this is a natural process for all the living things children. Okay. So this is a very natural process because the growth we can able to see in a based on their age. As we grow to a boy then to a man, our strength and eating capacity increases. So when you will be in a baby, okay, so after that you will be having a certain age, right? So whatever the food you will be having a more snacks item and junk food, even you will be having a more variety of food. You can able to easily digest, okay. So even your mother and father also, whatever the food they are having, okay, through that they will be getting a more energy and they will be getting a more strength, and whatever food they are taking they can able to digest easily. But you can see your grandma or grandfather, okay, they can't able to digest those kind of food. Okay, always they will be taking a very soft amount of food. Even you can see your grandmother, grandfather, they won't be that much strength. The strength it won't be for enough because they are very basically they will become very weak. The bones and muscles and all will become a very weak. And whatever the food they are having, they can't able to digest it. And some grandparents you can able to see they can't able to hear properly whatever we are saying, and they can't able to see a proper eyesight. Okay, because they are getting age, they are not getting a amount of energy, and even they are not having a strength. Okay, because of that they will be getting a certain diseases also. Okay. So here you can able to see as we grow to be a baby then to a man, our strength and eating capacity it will increases. Our digestive system digests everything whatever we are having, so everything it can able to digest. But as we grow towards the old age, nature slowly withdraws the everything. Okay, when they will be growing into a certain old age, it is a naturally whatever the food they are having, they can't able to digest, they can't able to walk for so long, even they can't able to run. So these many things it will be happen. So it is a normal growth process. Okay, next we become a weak with old age. We eat less. We also have one or other diseases. Our hair turns into black to grey or white in old age. The skin also starts loosening with the growing age. Our vision also reduces. The only thing that increases with the age, knowledge and the experience of life which benefits our younger generation. Yes, this is a true. The only age it will get increases. Okay. Also, whatever the knowledge they have gained from the small age, that knowledge and whatever they face the difficulties or the good one, everything, they will be having a very good knowledge and they will be having a good experience on that. Okay, so that is the reason they will be telling always we have to ask the suggestions, okay, from your grandparents, mother or father, whoever it is. We have to ask a suggestion whenever we want to do some new work. We have to get suggestion from them because they are more experienced people. They know what will happen. Okay, so whatever the things you are doing, okay, so you have to take suggestion from your. You have to take a suggestion from your elders. Okay, so because they have more knowledge and they have more experience, whatever they have done in their life. Okay, so here the baby and man, so whatever the food they will be having, it can able to digest. Okay, the food it will get digest and they will be having the energy. They will be having the energy and they will be having a proper amount of strength. Okay, so the same person they will be going for a old age. Okay, so here the food they can't able to digest. Okay, and the vision it won't be in a proper. The vision it won't be in a proper manner. Also, they won't have enough strength to walk. Okay, and even they will be having a certain diseases, one or other diseases it will be there. Okay, but even the hair color also you can able to see. Everyone will be having a black hair. Okay, so after they will be going for 40 years or 50 years, the white hairs it will be visible. So that means even the hair it will turn to a grey and it will turn to a white. Even you can able to see a grandmother, grandfather hairs it will be white, and even you can able to figure out your mother and father also they will be having a certain white hairs. Okay, white and grey hairs. Okay, even the skin, you people having very tight skin and you people's skin it will be very glowing, right? But the same skin tone the grandparents they won't be having. The skin it become very loosening. Okay, because the muscles they don't have enough amount of strength. Okay, the skin it will become very loose. Okay, even they're having a loosening the skin with the growing age. So also the vision also it will get reduces. Some even grandparents they can't able to hear what we are saying. Okay, so this because of age. They are getting more age, so that is the reason they are getting more difficulties. They can't able to digest the food, and they can't able to see the things properly, and they can't able to hear what we are saying. Okay, also the hair it become very white. Okay, then even the skin also it will become very loosening, and but they will be having a very good knowledge and the experience about the life, whatever they have faced, so that experience and whatever the feedback they want to give regarding a life, we have to accept them because they are more experienced people. We have to give respect to them. Okay, whatever the words they will give, they will be having a certain valuable into those words. So always we have to listen to our grandparents. Okay, so this all the children the lesson as I grow. Okay, so here I have given introduction of the lesson. Also I have explained growth in animals, and also I have explained growth in plants and the growth in human beings. Okay, so just here I am going to read a revision part whatever here given here. All living things grow like us animal to grow. Yes, living things obviously it will be coming under animals also. Even animals also can able to grow as per their age. Next, animals give birth to babies or laying eggs. Yes, I have mentioned like animals like birds, reptiles and fishes, frog, it will be laying the eggs. From the eggs, the small one, it will hatch out from the egg and it will come out. But few animals like a cow, goat, buffalo and elephant and the humans, monkeys, where belongs to mammal group. So we will be giving a birth to young ones directly. They won't lay the eggs. Next, some animals like dogs, cats, etc. give birth to young ones that look like them. So whoever is giving a birth to young ones directly, they look like similar to their parents. Next, most plant grow from seeds. Yes, most of the plant will grow from the seed. A few maybe like a sugar cane or ginger. The plant growth we can able to see from the stem. Next, we all change in shape and appearance with the change in time or as we grow. Yes, each and every one they will be vary from like either a skin tone or either maybe a tall, maybe a short, maybe a fat or maybe thin. So like this, each and every person will be having their unique characteristics. So each and every person look very different. Okay, even you can able to see the few person will be having a very straight hair and few person they will be having a curly hairs. Okay, so like this we can able to different from each and every person. You can able to see the difference from each and every person. Or everyone they won't look like a same except twins. Next, we'll move on for a TP exercise, page number 127. So here first thing they have given state true or false. Here they have given a fourth statement. You have to read the statement one by one and you have to identify whether this statement is true or a false. The first one, we are babies when we born. Yes, we are babies. Everyone is baby when they are born. After that only they can able to see the growth. Right? The first answer is true. So you have to put tick mark near to the true. And second one, we grow with time. Yes, we can able to see a growth within a time. Okay, for example, if you are going for an age of 18 or 19, 20 something, no, the growth it will get stopped. Okay, that much height only will be for an entire life. So we will be having a growth only for a certain age. So this answer is true. Next, third one, a plant do not grow from a seed. Yeah. The plant do not grow from a seed. Yes, the plant it will grow from a seed. So this statement is false. Next, fourth one, her hair turns grey in old age. Yes, when we will be going for a certain age like after 40 or 50, the black hair it will turns into a grey or in white in color. So this statement is true. Write neatly children, you have to use only pencil, just you have to put a tick mark. Okay, and second main we are going to see, that is fill in the blanks. The first one, growing up is a dash process. It is a one of a natural process, right? Natural, N-A-T-U-R-A-L, natural process. Second one, animals give birth to dash or lay dash. The animals give birth to babies. In first line you have to write babies and in second line you have to write eggs. They have given two things, right? So the first line you have to write animals will give birth to babies or lay eggs. Next, third one, butterfly's egg hatches to give out caterpillar. Yes, butterfly it will lays the eggs. From the eggs we can able to see a small worms. It is called as a caterpillar. So answer is caterpillar. Next, fourth one, most plant grow from dash. Most of the plant we can able to see it will grow from a seeds. Next, fifth one, we become dash with old age. We become very weak in old age. Copy down neatly children. You have to write with the pencil. Don't make any mistakes. I will be checking in the interactive session. Okay. You can go through the lesson and if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the interactive session children. Thank you. Have a nice day.